Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. All right. Okay. It's getting there. Alright, so what's poppin', everybody? It's your man, Chris Briggs, back again with another video, and as you guys already know, we are back again with another bang. Need I say it? Need I say it? I'ma say it anyway. Another video, another pair of sneakers, another sneaker unboxing. That is what the video is going to be for today. Now, this sneaker unboxing right here is going to be one of the greatest sneakers I have ever shown on this channel. Now, I have been looking for this sneaker for a long time, and the sneaker finally released. And this is a sneaker that I did get a little early, so your boy Chris Briggs is going to be on point with this one. But before we get into this video, the socials, the Instagram and the Twitter is going to be at IMCHRISBRIGGS and at IMCHRISBRIGGS too. Please go ahead and check that out. Throw me a follow over there. I'll follow you back, and this way you get to stay in tune to all things that I got dropping on that channel. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into this video. So sit back, relax, go to McDonald's, and get you a Whopper, because we are about to get it popping. Now, let me go get the package, bro. Yup. Just that quick. Just that quick. Got the package, and I got my buddy. I got my buddy. You see, we're friends now, you know? See, friends fight, you know? Maybe you and your friend will be playing 2K and he's cheesing you with LeBron or Steph Curry, and you just punch him in the face. Next day, your friend. See, I'm trying to open up a pair of sneakers and buddy over here cuts me. Without further ado, let me go ahead and ow! Bro, I literally just cut myself, bro. I really did. I literally just cut myself, bro. You see that, bro? Here. He's all yours. Now we're the best of friends, you feel me? He's helped me open up numerous amounts of boxes. Now, before we get into this video, this is a sneaker that I have been on the lookout for a long time. I guess that's pretty much all I have to say. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. Oh my goodness. Come on, let's go. Let's get it. Oh man, I'm so excited for this one. Oh, I'm so excited for this one. When I tell you guys, bro, I have been looking for this sneaker for years, and it just so happened that this sneaker happens to turn out, bro. You have no idea how excited I am. Luckily, you feel me? All my fingers are here. My head is still here. I'm still talking to you. We are still good. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. All right. Okay, it's getting there. It is getting there. Now, you guys already know, bro, we gotta do the countdown. From 3, we have to do the countdown. All right, you ready? Let's get it. And 3, 2, 1. Yup. It's getting there. We are getting there. Listen, all I have to say is, like I said, I've wanted this sneaker for a long time, and your boy got lucky. If you guys already know what this box is, you guys already know what this sneaker is. Is Chris Briggs really doing it like that, bro? Am I really doing it like that, bro? Now, the sneaker that I picked up for today, the long time sneaker that has been that has been missing from the collection for a long time is... Are you ready? The Air Jordan 13 Flint. Wow, bro. I have a pair of Flint 13s, bro. Oh my God, bro. I got a pair of Flint 13s, my God. What in the world is going on here? Is this a Matrix? What is going on? Am I alive? Am I not? Am I dreaming? If I am dreaming, pinch me now, bro, because I do not want to, but just hurry up and wake me up, bro. Let me feel the pain now. I have a pair of Flint 13s. Yeah, bro, my tongue's blue. Man, I love slushies. Blue raspberry, you feel me? Go get you some blue. You know what we got to do. Oh my gosh. The Flints. Wow. What in the world is going on here? Oh my my gosh. These things look even more beautiful than the last time I saw them. All right, everybody. So when it comes to the sneaker unboxing slash pickup for today, I had to give it to the Air Jordan 13 Flint. Oh man. Now, if you guys don't know, the Flint is like one of my favorite Jordans of all time. Listen, I remember being 14 years old. And one of my close friends had the Flint 13. This was back in high school. I think I was a freshman. So he was gonna let me wear them for a day. Like, I used to never wear people's shoes, but that was one of those times where I was like, you know what? I want these so bad. I wanna know what it's like to wear them for a day. He was like, all right, bro, here, you can wear them. But they were like almost brand new, no scratches, no nothing on them. And he let me have them for like 3 days. And for 3 days, they did not get put on my feet. I just kept them in the room looking at them. That is how much I loved the Air Jordan 13 Flint. Finally, this baby is in the collection. Now, how did I pick this bad boy up? How did I get it so early? I got it off the shock drop. I told you guys on the sneaker news video, bro, a lot of people copped from that shock drop, and I was the one. How did I cop, bro? I used the J23 app. Now, I'm not gonna lie, the J23 app cost me $2, but all I had to do is pay my $2 and it sent me the notification before anybody. So any restocks for like shock drops that's like Nike or Jordan related, bro, mostly Jordan related, the J23 app will have you on that and it will send you notifications faster than anybody. And I for sure caught a W on these right here. I honestly just do not know what to say. These things just go so hard, bruh. Just so hard. The Flint material in like that almost navy blue with the hit of gray just goes insane, bro. So happy to have these in the collection. Honestly, bro, I need a second pair. I might have to go for a second pair just so I can destroy this sneaker. Honestly, so happy to have these in the collection. Listen, if you can tell, the sneakerhead in me is going crazy right now. He is super excited. So when it comes to the sneaker pickup for today, like I said, I had to give it to the 2020 Air Jordan 13 Flint. Now, this sneaker drops May 30th. Now, like I said, this was a pretty widespread shock drop. A lot of people was able to get their pairs. So I do think that when it comes to the main release on May 30th, bro, a lot of pairs will be able to get caught. I feel like if you do your due diligence and you like stay on your work, stay on your grind, you will be able to grab this sneaker, and you will be able to grab this sneaker pretty easily. But just as easily as you could grab it is as easily as it could slip out of your hands. Just letting you guys know that. But without further ado, wow, listen, the pickups have been crazy. You wanna know something even wild? That is still not even all the pickups, bro. So we have a lot of work to do. Thank you guys for watching as always. More videos coming soon. More bangers coming soon. How do you guys feel about the Air Jordan 13 Flint? Do you guys think that it is dope or trash? Please go ahead and put that in the comment section down below. But without further ado, all I have to say is, hey, blessings, blessings, blessings. And Chris Briggs, signing out.